Okay, let's start with the first scenario. You feel like want to have a homemade cold pressed juice after done with some sport activities. Please log in to Sef'JuSee app and choose the type of juice that you want. Now you have done with the first scenario. Do you have any feedback to give or anything that you feel unnecessary?
No, so far it's good.
Okay. Let's continue with the second scenario. To gain back the freshness of your body after sweating during the sport activities, you feel like wanted to have a cold pressed juice with a cold temperature instead of a normal temperature of juice. Use the Sef'JuSee app and continue customize your cold pressed juice. Now you have done with second scenario. For a second scenario, do you have any feedback to give? How easy or difficult was it to navigate and complete the task?
Now it's really easy.
Any other feedback?
No.
Okay, we continue with the third scenario. You wanted to do a compose using all the leftover of the wet pulp from the juice, but at the same time you want all the wet pulp to be dry out so that easier for you to carry out the pulp to the compose site. Now you have done with the third scenario. So far up until this third scenario, do you have any feedback to give or did you find it easy to achieve the task?
Yes, I think it's really clear.
Okay. Any other things that you would like to comment?
No, it's good.
Alright. We continue with the fourth scenario. While customize the cold pressed juice, suddenly you have an important thing to do. So you have scheduled for a later juicing time at 7 a.m. Now you have done with the fourth scenario. Do you have any feedback so far for the fourth scenario task? What are your thoughts on the design and layout?
No, it's great.
Okay, we continue with the fifth scenario. You are having a flu, so you would like to have a blended smoothie juice that can boost your immune body system back. After found the category, you save the recipe to refer back later. Okay, now you have done with the fifth scenario. Was it difficult or hard for you to achieve the task for this scenario? Any feedback about the feature or anything that you want me to improve?
No, I think it is really helpful for me to choose my juice.
Okay. Now we go for the next scenario, which is the last scenario. Now you wanted to view what are the listed immune boosting smoothie juice and choose one of the recipes that has the highest like because you assume it might be the best recipe for you. Okay, you are done with the last scenario. For the sixth scenario, do you have any feedback to give? How was your experience of using this Sef'JuSee app to complete the task?
I think for the it is really good for you to show me the recipe because I can know the the good of the juice by knowing the ingredient and the benefit.
Okay. Do you feel that this application is easy to use?
Yes, it's really easy.
Will you recommend this application for your friends?
Yeah, I will recommend to them, especially for those who like to exercise.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Alright, thank you for your participation.
Okay.